Natasha Chen is live in New Orleans, which has received so much water already. Natasha.
Well, John, you can't tell from the weather we're having right at this moment, but yesterday there was an intense amount of rain, and even over the next few days there is more expected. In fact, there's a flash flood watch and a storm surge watch going on in various parts of this area. We know that in Plaquemines Parish there is a mandatory evacuation today for certain parts of the parish, and oil rigs and platforms, several of them have been evacuated because of storm activity in the Gulf.
Here we go, 75 miles per hour by Saturday, a little bit after midnight Friday night. Models still have two different versions, one to the west and one to the east. One right over New Orleans, the other pretty much over like Lafayette. But here is what Natasha was talking about, all the oil platforms in the Gulf of Mexico. 50% of the oil and gas platforms are inside the cone at this hour, and we'll watch what oil does later on today. Here is what the radar should look like for the rest of the day. Again, most of the convection offshore. Great news, kind of limiting the amount of flooding we could get today. But eventually, all of that convection will rotate around to the north side of the storm, and that's when we'll see the flooding. People are going to be saying for the next couple of days or even 36 hours, where is the storm? Well, it's still offshore. But by Friday night and Saturday morning, not so much anymore. An awful lot of heavy rain falling.